Anong mas maganda? Should you invest in Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund or diretso ka na mag-invest sa JEPQ, which is yung target fund nila? Well, in this video, let's find out. Let's go! So in my previous video, I actually did a deep dive research on Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund. Tapos pinakita natin doon how it works, paano ba siya kumikita, saan ba nakalagay or naka-invest yung pera mo, tapos bakit malaki yung dividends or yung income na binibigay nila. Nasa around 10%, 11%, or even 12% in dividends per year. Kaya in this video, what if instead of investing in Atram, didiretso ka na sa JAPQ, which is yung target fund nila na ETF. And for us to be able to do that, mag-i-invest tayo. So, i-compare natin what if I invest directly in Atram or diretso tayo invest sa JAPQ and compare natin ano yung results. So, yeah, let's get started. Now, for you to invest in Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund, we use Dragonfly. Now, inside our Dragonfly account, punta ka lang dito sa funds. Click mo lang yung funds and then scroll down below and then hanapin natin yung Atram. So, or just search Atram, okay? Tapos scroll down, hanapin natin yung Equity Income Feeder Fund. Or pwede din i-filter mo. Tapos dito mafi-filter mo Manulife, BPI, East West, or Atram. So again, click mo yung Atram, search mo yung Equity Income Feeder Fund. So, click mo yan, okay? And then dito makikita mo yung details about the fund, okay? Yung mga fees niya and whatnot. However, what we're gonna be doing is magbabay talaga tayo kasi i-compare natin. Okay? So, dito, click natin yung buy. Tapos, we input here 2,000 pesos as our test buy. And then, just click next. And then, dito, meron mga warnings. Okay? And then, kasi again, I'm a moderate investor base dito. Pero ako, aggressive kasi ako. So, click lang natin yung confirm and that's it. You are now able to buy or invest in Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund. So, very fast lang. And wala naman deduction when it comes to fees. Kasi yung 2,000 mo, lahat na yan invested talaga on the fund. Tapos, mafe-feel mo lang yung mga fees and whatnot dun sa price per share niya or price per unit niya. Tapos, yung growth niya and in terms of the dividends. Pero, yung 2,000 natin, intact siya, invested lahat in the fund. Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund. Ngayon, what if you wanna invest directly in JAPQ, which is yung target fund ni Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund? Sobrang haba ng name. Okay, so there's two ways you can invest. You can use GoTrade, okay, or you can use a cryptocurrency platform called Gate.com. So, si GoTrade, this is an international broker kung saan you can invest in mga US stocks. While yung Gate naman, again, as I mentioned, is an crypto platform pero pwede siyang mag-invest in real stocks talaga. So, if wala ka pang mga accounts dito, you can check the links down in the description if you're interested to invest directly in JAPQ using sa mga platforms na ito. However, quick disclaimer, alam naman natin na ayaw nilang mag-invest tayo globally. Kaya there's a risk na itong mga platforms na ito will be banned. Kaya invest at your own risk. So, first, let me show you what if diretso tayo mag-invest ng JAPQ using GoTrade and ano yung mga fees involved. Now, for you to invest in JAPQ using GoTrade, basically just open your GoTrade account tapos punta ka lang dito sa may dollar sign dyan. Okay? So, you deposit some cash papunta dun sa account mo. Click mo lang yan. Tapos, of course, we're gonna be using InstaPay kasi para instant ma-receive natin kagad yung pera. However, automatic din ito na-convert to US dollars. And if you see dito, ito yung conversion niya. 2,000 pesos, compared natin ito, same values dun sa Atram na ginawa natin using Dragonfly. However, if you notice, yung 2,000 will be converted to 31.69 pesos in US dollars. Now, dito pa lang meron na siyang konting difference. So, 32.39 if you base this on actual Forex. So, medyo makikita natin yung difference. Anyway, I'll show you later yung percentage niya. Tapos, once you do that, you deposit InstaPay, marireceive mo na yan kaagad dun sa GoTrade account mo. So, if you see dito, ayun, na-receive na yung pera. So, ngayon, meron na tayong around $31, okay, which is around 2,000 pesos. We just go to our GoTrade account, search for JAPQ. Ito yung target fund ni Atram. Tapos, click mo lang yung buy. And if you see dito, makikita mo yung mga fees naman. So, may trading fee, regulatory fee. So, yung total, okay, na na-invest na lang is actually 31.58 US dollar. 31.58 US dollar. Now, if i-convert natin yan to peso, that's the value of 1,949.72. So, from 2,000, okay, may mga deduction, naging 1,949 na lang siya. Which I did a quick computation na sa around 2.51% siya na difference. So, basically, nandito na yung fees, nandito na yung mga conversion. So, medyo 51% medyo significant siya na amount. However, since maliit lang kasi yung dineposit natin, kaya medyo malaki mafe-feel natin yung fees and conversions niya. So ngayon, let's check naman what if we invest directly in JAPQ using Gate.com. Now, since Gate.com is a crypto platform, syempre magpapasok tayo ng cryptocurrency. So what we do is, I usually use coins.ph accounts. Dito ako bibili ng crypto, tapos itatransfer natin dun sa Gate.com. And so far, that's what I did. Cash in tayo ng 2,000 peso in coins. Tapos, from my coins, convert natin to US dollar. So, yung conversion naman niya is 32.37 USD. Now, checking the actual Forex, 32.40. So, medyo very minimal lang din yung conversion fees niya. Again, from PHP, using coins.ph converted to US dollar. Now, meron tayong USDT. I transferred my USDT papunta dun sa Gate.com na account ko. Tapos, dito mayroon siyang konting fees using Solana Network. Tapos, na-receive naman so far. So, if you notice, 32.36 US dollar. So, may konti siyang difference. Anyway, later pakita ko yung total na difference din when it comes to conversions and fees. Kaya meron na tayong US dollar in our Gate.com account. Bibili na tayo ng JAPQ. Punta lang tayo dito. This is the platform. Punta lang tayo dito sa TradFi or yung stocks. And masasearch mo na yung JAPQ dito. So again, the good thing kasi with Gate.com is that it's a crypto platform, pero pwede ka mag-invest in mga real US stocks. So now, knowing that, search natin yung JAPQ, and then this is how it looks like. Click mo lang yung buy. However, dito medyo na-confuse ako kasi if you notice dito, merong nakalagay dito na maximum that I can buy, 31.63 US dollars. Even if yung US dollar natin is nasa $32 naman. So, nasa around $32 naman. Pero, 31.63 lang yung max na mabibili ko. So, this is something I'm also a little bit confused. Pero, proceed na muna tayo. And then, that's what we did. We bought JAPQ. And, ito naman so far, na-fill naman siya. And yung total na nabili natin actually is 31.61 US dollar na lang. Kasi with all the fees, and then yung max lang din, so 31.61 US dollar. Now, I did a quick computation naman dito. So, yung total value naman niya in terms of PHP is 1,951 pesos. So, again, from 2,000 na nilagay natin via coins, tapos we transfer it to Gate.com, naging 1,951 na lang siya. So, computing it is nasa around 2.42% yung fees and conversions niya. So, hindi naman magkalayo compared to directly investing in GoTrade. So, sa GoTrade, again, that's 2.51%. Dito naman, via Gate.com is 2.42%. So, if you ask me, medyo malaki din yung difference when it comes to fees and conversion. Ngayon, balikan natin yung tanong. So, anong mas maganda? Invest in Atram or diretso ka na sa JAPQ? Well, based sa ginawa natin ngayon, makikita natin na in terms to fees, okay, medyo may fees talaga if you invest directly. Kasi global platform, ay marami pa siyang pagdadaanan from your peso papunta dun sa global platform. Compared naman sa Atram via DragonFi, since local lang naman, yung 2,000 mo, lahat invested yan dun sa Atram na funds. However, yung hindi natin mafe-feel is yung moving forward. Kasi, based on our data, si Atram, Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund, nasa around 2%. Okay, yung annual fees naman niya. Merong trust fee na 1.5%, tapos meron din expense ratio yung JAPQ, magto-total ng around 2% din in annual fees. Tapos when it comes to dividends din, syempre JAPQ may dividends, tapos si Atram kikita din. So yung marireceive mo na income or dividends, mas konti na lang. So mafe-feel natin siguro yung difference moving forward. Kaya, if you're interested ano yung results nito, make sure you stay subscribed. Kasi imo-monitor natin in the next following months, magkano ba yung difference talaga if diretso invest in Atram or diretso invest in JAPQ using global platforms. So yeah, make sure you stay subscribed. Ngayon, if you're interested or this is the first time you're hearing about the Atram Nasdaq Equity Income Feeder Fund na kumikita ng around 10%, 11% in dividends per year, I have the perfect video for that. You make sure you check out this next video. We did a deep dive research about the fund and if it's worth investing in. So yeah, go ahead and check out this next video and I'll see you there.